In the heart of generosity, can a cookie change the world? It all starts with a plan, a recipe for compassion. Flour clouds rise as hopes soar, each cup filled with care. Ovens preheat, as do hearts, ready to bake a difference. Sweet aromas weave through the air, a prelude to kindness. Tables set, treats line up, a feast for the soul awaits. Community gathers, each purchase a pledge to heal. Laughter mingles with chatter, unity in every bite. Nurses share stories, the icing on our collective effort. Every sale rings a bell, a chime for change and hope. Funds tally up, a testament to the power of giving. As the day wanes, hearts are full, the goal within reach. A final cookie sold, a milestone for the nursing community. Together we've baked a legacy, sweetened by every supporter. Join us in the next chapter, where your help writes the story.